Hello, dreamers. Welcome back to A Beautiful Dream. Justice here. And yes, I'll be referring to all my viewers as dreamers because I thought it would go along with the theme of the channel. And also, I believe that we all are a dreamer, dreaming of something, dreaming of going somewhere, dreaming of achieving something, dreaming of buying something, dreaming of eating something. So, yeah, I would be referring to you all as dreamers. This would be my official video, first video. The previous one was a welcome video. This would be my first video, which I'll be working on something. Though it's going to be small, pretty small, in fact, very small. Um, yeah, I was thinking of making something, but I didn't know where to start. But I also uploaded a short of saying that I would be working on making a fan using a simple DC motor. Yeah, and I have a DC motor which we all might have, might be familiar with. It's very common. We usually find this in toys, and many of us might have scrapped it out from toy cars, and which are like motor operated toys, and make fan out of it. So I thought that would be a great starting point. So I got two of them, and also I 3D printed this propeller, three bladed propeller. It's not a best design, I just I just did it like that. I didn't think of it much. I just designed it like that without much calculation and everything. Just wanted to make it spin. Yeah, I know it's not, like I said, it's not a big thing. um but we'll just go along with the flow. There's no fixed goal of this, but we'll just enjoy the journey. Yeah, learn something maybe. And then, like I said, we'll go along with the flow and we'll see where it actually lands at. But long story short, I also thought of using microcontrollers to spin or to control it. um, yeah, and then also explore other type of motors like servo motors and stepper motors. I do have them right now. But i don't I don't have BLDC motor. The motors which I use in drones, I don't have that. They are actually costly. But I'll be getting them soon after I get my salary. Yeah, so let's start with it. First, I'll just solder some wires on it. I have this wireless, but it's not wireless anymore because the I think the battery in it died. It's a wireless soldering iron, in case you guys don't know. It gets heated up pretty fast. Right. You have to press this for 3 seconds, right? Yeah, it blinked, and it's gonna take some time for it to heat up, like within 1 minute or so. And yeah, I will see you guys after I solder it. I didn't had any copper wire which are easy to solder. So I'm gonna be using this jumper wire instead. I'm broke, so I have to save resources too. If there is anyone who don't know how to solder, maybe you can comment down and let me know. I would upload a dedicated video for soldering. No, I'm not the best at it, but the one that I've been using, the way that I've been using, I can show it. It has worked pretty well for me. So yeah, please do comment down and let me know. Okay, then it's gonna take some time, so I'll see you after this. Yeah, so I have shouldered it. It's I think it doesn't look that good, but I mean it's done. Also I have this lithium ion battery, which is 3.7 volt. I don't know how much voltage is still there. It's been so long that I've bought this, and I kept it unused for so long. This is called multimeter. In case you guys don't know, most of you might have already know, but just in case, there's no shame in not knowing, but there should be shame in not learning. I mean, that's my motto, I guess. Yeah, it still has some pretty decent amount of juice left, so we can try testing it. I mean, this is our whole childhood, everyone. This is where it all began. My journey of making stuff. It works. Yeah, we all know how it works, right? Or if there is anyone who would love a explanation of how it works, it is simple, but there is so much going on around here. How it's even moving. Motor is a mechanism or a device, not actually a device. Is it okay to call it as a device? I mean, it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. There's so many things going in this simple setup that I just did right now, where I connected this simple lithium ion battery to this simple DC motor. It looks simple, but there's so many things going on. So if there is anyone, if you guys want me to explain elaborately of what actually is going on, might be it can also be useful, for 9 standard students. As far as I remember, electric motor is a part of their subject, right? Yes, so we have made the first thing that I have ever made in my life, which started everything, like I said. But before jumping to the different types of motor, like servo motor and stepper motor, which I will be showing later, before jumping to that, I think it would be better if we, you know, take small step at a time, because directly going from simple DC motor to servo motor, I think that would be a big leap. And also for me, it was like years of gap of using like servo motor. So the next thing that I used, if I remember correctly, would be light emitting diodes, LEDs. Yeah, we all have seen this too, haven't we? We all have let them glow at one point or the other. So let's first make it glow, and then we'll proceed step by step. I know it's a very slow process, simple and very slow process, but trust me, it's going to be very worth it at the end. And also, there's I have met so many people who don't even know these basics. So I'm also making this for them so that we can all learn and grow together. Okay, then we'll make this glow. I'm gonna use the same wire that I used for the DC motor. Like I said, I have to utilize everything properly so that I don't waste any. This is quite convenient, to be honest. Though the battery, like I said, the battery has died, I can still use it wirelessly for some time, for a few, like 2 or 3 minutes. It's gonna take some time. Also, meanwhile, waiting for it to heat up. Yeah, many of you have asked where I am and what am I actually doing. Well, I am at IIT Dharwad, Karnataka. I am working as a project assistant under Professor Konjangbam Anand in his lab called ImaLab. And most of this stuff that you're seeing right now has been provided by him and the lab. So thanks to them, all thanks to them too. All thanks to the lab and him mostly. Yeah, I think it's heated up already. See, I told you it's very fast. I'm gonna take this off real quick, desolder it, and then solder it back to the LED. I really need to buy that thing which hold PCBs and stuff, because it's getting very hard to hold some small objects for soldering. See, it's very hard. I'll let you guys. Yeah, I mean, I'll get back to you guys after I solder it. It's gonna take some time. So I have soldered it. I'm gonna shut this down. I mean, it's not the best solder, but like I said, it's done. So yeah, and also fact, the longer side of every LED, of such type of LED, the longer side, the two rods, like the two electrodes sticking out, the two metal wires sticking out, the longer side is always the positive side, you know, just in case. And also some of you who are familiar with all this would be shouting and screaming right now because I didn't use any resistor. I don't have any resistors. Yeah, so I'm having to use it directly. It might burn the LED, but I mean, I just wanted to make it glow for some time. And it's actually glowing. I am quite surprised why it haven't burned out yet. See, it's glowing pretty well. Since the motor is working and also the LED is glowing, we will proceed the next as I promised. Um, like I said, it will be going to um, see on look on servo motors. This is the most common servo motors that you're gonna see in the market right now. It's beginners. It's for beginners. Torque is also very low here. Yeah, I think it comes around 200 per piece. I also have big ones too, bigger ones with bigger torque. And like with these two, they are like, I think they are like two different types of servo motors. One which spins, which can spin like 360, and the other one which can spin to only like 180. Last time I screw up, I didn't check on that, and then I had to order a new one. Actually, I ordered it to make a mechanical arm to grab stuff. It's not done yet, and I have to redesign it again. As you can, I don't know if you can hear it. There's a sound there, which actually annoys me. So I have to redesign it. So yeah, this is servo motor, and they don't work like our normal DC motors. They need I don't know, to run this I would need microcontrollers like Arduino, ESP, Raspberry. Um, yeah, but I'll not be talking about them much. But a quick summary of what they are is that these microcontrollers are something like a small brain of electronics where you can give some commands for them to execute or do according to the command, or according to what we want it to do. And there are different types of microcontrollers. I do have them. I do have Arduinos, ESP, and I think I have Raspberry Pi too. So yeah, as a starting, I think this is good enough. And also for the stepper, I couldn't find it. I paused the video and then I did a quick check and I couldn't find it. Maybe I would include that in the next video. So that's all for today, I guess. We made a simple fan out of a simple DC motor and battery. We made an LED glow, the basic thing. It's very basic. Also, you guys can let me know what I should work on next. Um, Maybe I can make a drone out of this, but that would require me to buy some stuff like the BLDC motor. But I would look into it. Just guys, let me know what you want me to make using this, or I can make a simple plane that flies using motors. This is a big motor. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work, but maybe if I can extract motor out of this. This is also run by small DC motor. Inside there is a small DC motor here, so it's small enough. So I don't know, we can experiment on it and make a simple flying plane, powered by this motor using a small turbine. Maybe I can do that, a lightweight one. Like, I won't be able to control it, but maybe we can make that simple as that. Yeah, no uses, no purpose, just enjoying the process. I guess that's that for today. It's what's the time now? 11:53 midnight. Yeah, thank you guys for watching till the end, and please make sure that you comment if there is anything that I can improve on or work on for the next video. And I'm very sorry if this is too simple, and all of that. I just wanted to start very small, one small step at a time, starting from the very scratch, starting from the very beginning. And this is not even the very beginning that I thought of doing it, but yeah, thank you for watching till the end, and I hope we meet again in the next video. Bye.